2019. Compute capital fund of Salem Sports Club as on 1st April 2019. So if you see the date here, it is actually showing a beginning of a period or a beginning of a particular financial year. So what is actually to be found out means we are going to find out the opening balance of capital fund. Okay. So particulars, let us list out: sports equipment, computer, subscription outstanding for 2018 to 19. So we have been discussing one illustration also previously, so which is actually the current year's outstanding. So when you say current year's outstanding, it means that we will take it where to the assets, whereas subscription received in advance, okay, for the year 2019, this means subsequent year, what do we do? Treat it as a liability, and followed by, okay, this is a continuation of the items. Price fund is there, okay, price fund. So these kind of things are is a liability. And then also you have price fund investment of another 10,000. So price fund is 10,000. Price fund investment also is 10,000. Usually we take this as an asset item. Okay, so remember, this will be a liability, whereas this will be an asset. Okay, then you have cash in hand and cash at bank. Let us discuss the solution for the 19th problem. So give the title as In the Books of Salem Sports Club, and we'll open up the balance sheet for the period of 1st April 2019. So now we will start with the liabilities part of the balance sheet. So I have told you already that you will normally create a provision for this capital fund. Okay, so keeping this amount thing, okay, blank, so we're not going to actually see this amount, so because we are going to find it in future, just leave that part blank. Okay, after creating provision for capital fund, the next item you start with entering the subscription that was received for which year. It was 1920. That means this is the subsequent year, next year. Okay, treat this as this 8,000 will be a liability. Okay, this will be actually a liability in this case. Now you also have price funds. So funds will be normally a liability. Okay, investments means it will be a asset, whereas funds will normally be what? It will be a liability. So this you know very well. Okay, now after having discussed all the actual liabilities, let us now move on to the assets part. You can see now assets having computer, okay, sports equipment you have, and then you also have this price fund investment. So we have seen price fund is investment is an asset. Okay, so according to the concept of capital fund, we have discussed all this. Then when received in advance, okay, we treat as a liability, whereas subscription for the current year, we will, okay, treat this as a asset because this is a current year's item. Then without fail show cash at bank and cash in hand. Now you can see when you total up all the assets, okay, so it comes to rupees 98,000. So how much does it come to? 98,000. So you can just see this part, 98,000, whereas these two is only at rupees 18,000. So from 98,000, when you deduct 18,000, so you are left with this value, which is nothing but the 80,000. So this will be 80,000 capital fund. Okay, so this is how you will be calculating the capital funds for every other problem, whatever it is being